everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a chuck roast in the crock pot, and to go along with that we will need some baby carrots, and then we will need some onion powder, some garlic powder, some Dash or Mrs. Dash, whatever you call it, some sea salt, but I didn't have regular salt this day, so I was just using what I had, some black pepper, a whole stick of butter, and we will be dissolving one of these beef cubes in 1 cup of water to make us a broth to go in with our pot roast. Now we will be adding our seasonings. Bear with me on the angles in this part of the video. My toddler was holding on to my leg for dear life. He was just clingy this day, I guess. I don't know what he was doing, but I promise the rest of the video gets better. Alright, now that we have all of our ingredients in, we are going to cook this on low for, I believe I set it for about 8 hours. And I will see you guys whenever it's done. And here is my plate. I ended up adding some green beans at the last minute just because I didn't think carrots was enough. But I also made some cornbread, mashed potatoes, and gravy. And on this night, we ended up having chicken quesadillas. I forgot to show you guys the package. I'm so sorry about that. But it's just the little Tyson chicken strips that you can find in the frozen section pretty much anywhere. I'm just going to get them good and heated up and chop some of these bigger pieces in half because my kids will not be able to eat them that big. Now that we have our chicken nice and heated up, we are going to go on ahead and add in some taco seasoning. I did end up adding a little bit of water to this because I felt like it was just like dry and it wasn't mixing right. I am going to add the lid back on just so that can heat up together for a little bit longer. And here is my plate. It's nothing fancy. I did make some of the mini frozen tacos in the air fryer. It doesn't look that great, but it tasted pretty good if you ask me. So on this night, I decided to do a family favorite, which is smoked sausage and potatoes. What I'm going to do here is cut up my sausage as best as I can. If you'll notice, my knife is pretty dull, so just bear with me. Now what I'm going to do here is cut up my potatoes in little bite-sized pieces, something about like that. Okay, now I'm going to set my skillet to about a medium heat. I did end up having to get a bigger pan after I put all this in because this one just was not big enough. but I did season this with just some salt and pepper. And here is my plate. I ended up making some green beans, cornbread, and macaroni and cheese to go with it this night. On this night, I decided to make some fried chicken. I had some chicken breast marinating in buttermilk overnight. Excuse the way the eggs look. I had already started cooking this, but I beat up 3 eggs, and I had seasoned my flour with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some paprika. And here we are, just getting it all fried up. Now this is what mine's looking like after I fried it. Now I made some corn on the cob, mashed potatoes, and macaroni and cheese to go with it. This will end our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you do, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you.